Hi everyone, welcome to the Finance Live. Today, let's look into one of the basic Excel feature sorting the data in the tables. So, if you see here, we have the forecast input table where we have opportunity name, sales agent, sales region, sales category, forecast amount, sales phase, and other details. So, if we see here, if we want to sort this table, so let's select all the columns here and click on Alt AAT where we can see the drop down option here. So now if I want to sort this table by opportunity name, if you see here, we have a drop down where we can click on this, and so either we can sort from A to Z or Z to A. So if we click on A to Z, the sorting already applied on this from A to Z. And if you click on Z to A, you can see the sorting has changed, and we can see the data, the column has sorted from Z to A. So similar to that, we can also sort this table by sales agent. So if we click on this drop down where we can see two options on the filter, sort, one is A to Z and Z to A. If you click on A to Z, you can see the column, this table got sorted based on this column from A to Z, from Cora Thomas to we have Suma Kini at the end. So now again, if we click on Z to A, you can see we have the Suma Kini on the top because this column got sorted based on Z to A. And if there are any multiple colors in the table, then we can also use this feature called sort by color. So, and you may get a question saying that can we sort this table based on two or more conditions? So now if we see here, now if we want to sort based on this column, if I click on A to Z, now we don't have any sorting applied based on this column. This is gone, and now we have a new sorting option. But now what we can do is we have another option where we can sort this table based on two or more conditions. So where if you see here, uh, if we go home and if we go to the sort and filter, we have custom sort where we can add two to three conditions. Say for example, I want to add three conditions where sort by first one is opportunity name, cell values A to Z, and then I would like to the sales region, cell values Z to A, and then I would like to go by forecast amount, or yes, forecast amount, and this is from largest to smallest. Okay, now we have given three conditions here and click on OK, and now you can see this option where this table got sorted based on three conditions. One is opportunity name from A to Z, and then sales region from Z to A, and then forecast amount from largest to smallest. This is how you can use the sorting option in the Excel tables. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.